A medical emergency rarely happens when it's convenient. It usually happens late at night, during a storm, or at the exact moment when help is still minutes away, and in those minutes, the difference between panic and control often comes down to one simple thing: what you already have inside your home. Most people assume they're prepared because they have a few bandages in a drawer. But when a serious cut, infection, allergic reaction, or sudden pain happens, they quickly realize their medical kit is missing the items that actually matter. The truth is, every household should have a small set of basic medical supplies ready before something goes wrong, not a huge hospital setup, just the essentials that doctors themselves recommend having close by. Today, we're going to walk through 7 medical supplies every home should have, why they matter, and how they can help you handle common situations safely until proper medical help is available. The first supply is a reliable pain reliever and anti-inflammatory medication. Pain is one of the most common reasons people reach for medicine at home. Headaches, back pain, muscle strains, fever, dental pain, and minor injuries can all happen unexpectedly. Many people only keep one type of pain medication, but doctors often recommend having at least one strong anti-inflammatory option available. Medications like naproxen or ibuprofen can help reduce inflammation, swelling, and pain while your body heals. This can be especially useful for things like sprains, joint pain, or intense headaches. Of course, medications should always be used responsibly and according to instructions, but having a proper pain reliever on hand can make a big difference when discomfort strikes suddenly. The second supply is sterile gauze and medical bandages. Cuts and wounds happen more often than people expect. Kitchen accidents, broken glass, sharp tools, outdoor injuries. When a cut happens, the first priority is controlling bleeding and protecting the wound from bacteria. Sterile gauze pads allow you to apply pressure and absorb blood safely. Bandages help secure the gauze and keep the wound covered. Without proper materials, people often try to improvise with tissues or cloth, which may introduce bacteria into the wound. Simple sterile gauze and bandages are inexpensive, but they are one of the most important items in any home medical kit. The third supply is an antiseptic solution. Cleaning a wound properly is just as important as covering it. Even small cuts can become infected if bacteria enter the tissue. An antiseptic solution such as iodine, hydrogen peroxide, or alcohol wipes helps disinfect the area before bandaging it. This simple step dramatically reduces the risk of infection. In many cases, people skip cleaning the wound because they simply don't have anything available. That's why keeping a small bottle of antiseptic solution in your home kit is essential. The fourth supply is antihistamines for allergic reactions. Allergies can happen suddenly. It might be a food reaction, an insect bite, pollen exposure, or contact with a plant. Symptoms can include itching, swelling, rashes, sneezing, or watery eyes. Antihistamines help reduce these reactions by blocking the body's allergy response. In mild to moderate reactions, they can bring relief quickly and prevent symptoms from getting worse. For families with children, pets, or frequent outdoor activities, antihistamines are particularly important to keep nearby. The fifth supply is a thermometer. It sounds simple, but many homes don't actually have one. Fever is one of the body's main warning signs that something is wrong. Without a thermometer, it's difficult to know whether someone has a mild temperature or a high fever that needs attention. A digital thermometer allows you to monitor temperature accurately and track whether it's rising or falling. This information can be extremely helpful when deciding whether someone should rest at home or seek medical care. The sixth supply is medical gloves. Disposable medical gloves are often overlooked, but they serve an important role when treating wounds, cleaning blood, or helping someone who is sick. Gloves help protect both the patient and the person providing care. They prevent the spread of bacteria and reduce the risk of contamination. Healthcare professionals use them for a reason. Keeping a small box of disposable gloves in your home medical kit makes it easier to handle situations safely and hygienically. The seventh and final supply is a basic medical guide or reference. When something unexpected happens, people often freeze because they simply don't know what to do. Is the symptom serious? Should you call for help immediately? What steps should you take first? Having a reliable medical reference at home can provide clear guidance during those moments. A practical guide can explain how to recognize warning signs, how to handle common injuries, and what actions to take before professional help arrives. It's not about replacing doctors. It's about having the knowledge to stay calm and respond correctly when time matters. And that leads to an important insight many people overlook. Emergency situations don't start in hospitals, They start in homes. A child falls, someone burns their hand while cooking. A family member wakes up with severe pain in the middle of the night. In those first moments, you are the first responder. The right supplies combined with basic knowledge can help you stay calm, act quickly, and protect the people around you. Most of these items are inexpensive and easy to store, but together, they create a simple safety net that every household should have. Preparing your home medically doesn't require complicated equipment, just a few essential tools and the awareness to keep them ready: pain relievers, sterile bandages, antiseptic solution, antihistamines. A thermometer, medical gloves, and a reliable medical guide. 7 Simple things that can make a real difference when something unexpected happens. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more practical health and preparedness tips that can help you take better care of yourself and your family. And if you'd like to go deeper, there's also a helpful resource linked in the description that explains how to handle many common medical situations step by step at home. It's a practical guide that shows what to do when help isn't immediately available. Take a look if you want to be even more prepared.